What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new vlog. We are starting today's vlog off out here in Hawaii. We are in North Shore, Oahu right now.
Don't act so nonchalant. Like
Me?
we just woke up in Hawaii.
We kind of did. We came out to Hawaii this morning, so we flew into California from Spokane, ended up in Hawaii. It is now 6:04 p.m. and we are gonna go find a beach. But let me give you a quick tour of our house. Let me backtrack a little bit. We're out here for my brother Cameron's wedding, and his wedding's in a few days, and I've been really stressed out because I'm the best man. I gotta give a best man speech, but we'll figure that out. So here's the house. You walk in right here, you come over here, that's mine and Bobby's room over there. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much, so let's make this fast. We got some vodka. Another bedroom. We got Haley. What's up, Haley? Bathroom, another bedroom, the master bedroom. This is obviously where Cameron and Haley are going to be. And then you come out here, this place is actually really, really sick. There's 60 acres of land on this property. So we can go roaming in the trees if we want. We actually have a golf cart over here that me and Cameron were thinking about getting fired up. And I'm not sure if that's allowed, but if we can find the keys, we'll get that thing going. If not, we may just have to hot wire it. We got a pool, the ocean's over there, a little bit far of a walk, so we could take the golf cart. Skydiving's right over there, which we'll probably end up doing. This is gonna be a straight up Hawaii vlog. And I've been trying to rent a cool car. So if we end up renting a cool car, I'll show you guys what we rent. But they're all really expensive.
We'll be right back.
Hello, Bobby.
Hi.
Hello, Haley.
Hello.
Dude, what's up, bruh?
Let's go tear it up.
Oh,
Just getting married.
sick.
No
Sounds
big deal.
fun. Bobby and I came out here with no rental car, so we might get some scooters. Last time I was out here with my buddy Ryan ended up wrecking his scooter. So let's try not to make that happen again. But we just found a scooter rental place. Oh, those are some meaty tires too. Sheesh. They already closed.
Yeah.
Moped rentals and sales.
Please contact my personal phone number.
You wanna write that down?
You can just go back on your
Oh,
recording.
you're right. You're right.
Yeah, thinking.
Dude, I would rent the shit out of a scooter.
Maybe someone fun around here.
Hey, I'm calling about your moped rentals. I'd like to rent a couple out for about a week. Give me a call back. My number is 5. Sick.
Ooh.
Let's send it. Ooh, a Corona.
This is way too strong.
Bobby, moped rentals are right there. We just freaking went over there.
I can't. Oh. This is way too strong. Babe, taste that.
No, the freaking moped rentals.
I know.
But listen,
That's awesome. We're gonna have to
Maybe-
get them in the morning.
would you guys like to moped?
They'll be calling me back first thing in the morning. We'll have rentals.
What time do we get our pizza? Ready to go out to the pool?
This morning I'm an official photographer / videographer. You ready?
Never been more ready.
I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go take pictures of Bobby Wallace and her cheeks.
But let me go potty first.
Have fun going potty. as of current, we are going for a helicopter ride in a helicopter. Imagine that. Sounds fun. So, me and Bobby's sister are going for a rip in that helicopter right there. She definitely will. Truly passion fruit, sounds like ass. Let's do this bit here. Oh, baby. We just picked up the sickest rental car available on the island. This is Bobby's official reaction. Look at the stance.
Oh. Damn.
What do you think? You like it? I'll let you know right now, she's got 103 horsepower.
Holy crap, I really like the shift knob.
It's got a dildo shift knob in it. She's a 4-speed automatic. Fourth gear doesn't work.
Fourth gear doesn't work?
Nope, she's stuck in third.
How much was this to rent?
$60 a day.
Oh, hell yeah.
She's got some good stance on her, excellent fitment. We might cut the springs, but check this bad bitch out. Damn.
Can I take a seat in her?
Have a seat.
And I wanna...
It's got nice paint.
Damn.
Yeah, the speedo don't work. Fourth gear don't work.
Wow.
Might be a little bit stinky, but she's a ripper.
Holy frick, that thing is massive.
Do you like this thing? You want to take it for a rip?
Yeah, I kind of do. What's up with the pliers?
Oh, the pliers, those are how you roll down the window. We got vice grips for the window
Baby,
crank.
where did you get this at?
We got it in town. $60.
Okay, I'm gonna have to approve, but
You like it?
it's not the hottest car I've ever driven.
I'm letting you guys know right now, if you ever happen to make it out to Oahu, I'd highly recommend picking up a Toyota Yaris.
Oh shit.
I think it's a Toyota.
The wheels though.
Those wheels are sick. We jumped it and kind of fucked up the tire. On the way up here, there's this giant jump. We fucked Sender.
Okay, my feet are on fire.
For real though, guys, trying to find a rental car here is a pain in the dick. So we got off Facebook Marketplace. $60 a day, $150 down payment or deposit. She eats, she grips.
She rips.
Got no muffler. Here, cold start for the boys.
Hold on, let me make my way over there.
The muffler's cut off. Ready? Something rattled in the engine. I think I blew her up.
Probably.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Bobby, why don't you like it?
No, baby, I love it. I'm so grateful. Thank you. But
It
my
is.
feet are on fire.
It's $60. It's a lot of money. You want to go for the rip in the yard?
Yes.
You want to drive? I'm a little drunk.
You want me to drive?
Jeff, are you okay to drive?
Yeah, I'm okay to drive.
You want to send it?
Yeah, I'll send it.
I had too many calls today. We gotta be safe. All right, boys. Be safe in Hawaii, all right?
Quick ripper. Oh, you betcha.
We're gonna go do a wedding rehearsal because the wedding's tomorrow.
I don't know.
And
We're gonna go figure it out.
we're gonna rip.
I guess we'll just be in that general vicinity.
Bobby coming? You got the keys? Oh,
I thought you left them in here.
I did. They're right here. Look at that speedo. We're already tapped out.
Tapped out, dude.
All right.
Full send. All gas, no brakes.
If you don't lay her sideways, you're fired.
It reeks in here.
Like what?
Oh
What?
my god.
We're gonna freaking blow her up. Oh, she got a little squeaky. Holy shit, dude. Oh my lord.
No Texas drive, kids.
Oh. So this is where the wedding's at. Tomorrow. It's happening tomorrow. Right down yonder. But for today, we're gonna go chill over on this side of the beach. And now we're going to a car meet. An Evo only car meet, as far as I know. You excited?
Yeah, I am excited. I wish we had one of, you know, your Evos here, but
Hey now, don't be hating on the Yaris. Ready for this pole?
damn, that is interesting.
I think we found the meat. It's crazy, man. Thank you, I appreciate that.
I stole my headlight, taillights, because I watched.
Ooh, that was your best one yet.
Was it?
Yeah, it was.
There was a ton of Evos out here earlier. A few of the dudes already left, but we still got a whole squad right there. Evo. Some Evos over there. Those are the fast boys. And then we gotta go check out the slow brews. Just kidding, bro.
I was gonna ask for your picture tonight.
I'm just playing. Absolutely. Hey, a baggy boy.
Ooh, that was,
That-
I feel like I went back in my car.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Oh shoot. I think, yeah, that looks good. That thing's sick. I didn't film a lot, but there was so many people there and so much love there that I've never experienced that any meet that we've ever been to. It's absolutely insane. So if you guys are watching this and you're from Oahu and you're at the meet, big shout out to all you guys. Y'all were amazing. Thanks for the, yeah, I don't know what to say.
I feel like we weren't expecting that at all. We were overwhelmed with love. Like,